3008 Sandbar. Of course, the landscaping cleanup is something we always do. You can see little spots of weed barrier, but just from looking at it, to me, it looks like, oh, remove that satellite dish at the top. Maybe. Power wash the driveway. See a little bit of weed barrier here, but again, to me, it does look like there's a lot of rock here, so we might be able to just move things around. I don't know if we want to paint this stucco here and here. That's not something we normally do, but we're near the lakes, and I think it looks fairly bad, so it might be worth it. Paint this door frame. The tile actually looks really nice to me. These are the same blinds that we will put on. I like the light fixture. I can't decide on the paint. Like, there's obviously areas like the baseboard there that need to be touched up, and you're definitely going to have that, but I can't decide on the paint. I think it's okay, but the kitchen cabinets, all of the cabinets, I think have to be painted. That's a crack. I mean, it looks like a crack. I don't actually feel it. And that's a crack. So I'm sure they're all cracks. I like the backsplash. Not sure what's going on. I think we're missing those little things, so maybe we just replace that light fixture. And there's a fireplace key there. Landscape cleanup. So this side of the house will get the morning sun. This is east, mostly east. Junk extra items as necessary. I don't see a lot of items so far that need to be junked, but it's nice to have that in the budget. Oh, so I think that's a crack in the tile. Yeah, that's a crack. Painting that closet rod would make a big difference in there. I think these need to be painted. That's definitely a PM decision. So it looks like he taped those little windows with some kind of paper. This door looks bad in person. So I'm not sure. It might be worth repainting this garage. Okay, let's go upstairs. You're gonna have little nicks like this. That's splatter from paint. That's wear and tear, I think. Door frames could be painted. Definitely a deep carpet cleaning. Baseboards are nice and high though. I'll replace that blind. It's broken. Oops. Let's just assume that blind needs to be replaced. One blind in master and one blind in bedroom 1. I'm missing a little handle there. So we can replace that little drain ring in the tub, $65. The thing right above it, I'm actually not sure how much that costs. But the drain ring is really easy. This feels like a nice size room. Remove those cables. I'm not sure what that is. Carpet looks fine. I mean, we're going to carpet clean all of the rooms, but it does look fine. That blind needs to be replaced. That's pretty much it. Bedroom. Okay.